Thi siselapha kulomkhosi labanye ke babo netatibonela bamfu labatiwako njengokuba mabona kude njengoba kubamfu labatayelekile labanye abasaqali ke nekufika lapha ekhaya eSwatini ngalomkhosi nangaleminye imikhosi elive sebahlala banathi lokusho kona ukuthi thine sesasala vele singemahlahlandlela ekugcina wona emasiko ase sibone ke ninebonkosi lenhle sibone Meshak Mavuso nelo watiwako kakhulu lo tasichazela ngekuba khona kwakhe evele Swatini nangeke ukuthi engabe ukhanza ukuthi live leSwatini ekugcineni wona emasiko lisibuko lesinjani nalekangakanani futhi elivikatini kuye nasesifundzeni lesisendasi nelivikati leAfrica asesiveke ukuthi ukhulume wathini.
Name is Meshak Mavuso, a South African born actor. Look, this is not the first time ngita Kangwan, and I'll tell you why ngiza every year. It's because I want to celebrate the heritage, the culture that you have here, and because it's not just as South African, but as an African, I enjoy what I see here. You know, having fun, do what they love, do what they know, and we are here as men to of course celebrate with them and support them because it's got this thing. But DSTV, and all that. But we want to change that narrative to say we are here today. We're celebrating with them. We are happy for them, and I'm really happy to enjoy Queen Mar. You know, this thing, we've been doing it for years, and we must not allow the West to come and tell us it's inhuman for women for young girls to walk and all that. For us, this is our culture, and we're celebrating it. And as a South African, I'm here because together we are stronger.
Now let's talk about the importance yokugcina emasiko thina singema Africans singakhulumeli nje eSwatini kuphela kodwa ema-Africans as a whole.
You see, as Africans, amasiko into ezisigayidayo. You know, we are guided by that. If ungalazi isiko lakho, if ungazi la uphuma khona, kusho khona ukuthi awazi ukuthi la uya khona uyofika. You know, so this is what brings us together as Africans. That's why we even here in Swatini. I know amazwati azoba South Africa KwaZulu siya KwaNdebele celebrating our culture, and it's very important that we do that and we protect it. We make sure ukuthi akubi nabantu abazofika basitshela ukuthi senze kanjani ngeculture yethu ngento zethu esikhule sizenza, because we are not idiots as Africans. Asizona ilimi ukuthi singabelieve kunto for more than 1,000 years. That is not working.
Thank you very much for your time. Thanks. Nithi vele ke maswahla mahle ukuthi sesaba sibuko lesinjani Meshak